What's up guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to change lenses on 100% Armega goggles. So the first thing you need to do is locate the tabs on the sides of the lenses. Flip this band up, and then the easiest way to do this is put one finger here and another here and pull this towards you. Got to pull kind of hard and you'll hear it snap, so that means the hinge unlocked. As you can see here, you can rotate this back and that side's done. You move to the other side, same way. So one finger on this side, one on this, pull towards you, snap, and the hinge is unlocked. And you don't have to rotate this all the way down like this, but you can. So the next step is to remove the lens from the ridges on the top and the bottom. So you want to pull the top away from you while you push in on the inside of the lens towards you. And then that frees up the top side of the lens. And then once you have that freed up, you can pull this up and towards you and the lens comes out. So to put it back in, pretty much the same process. You want to insert the bottom first, and you want to set the lens into the ridge of the bottom. This part can be tricky, but it'll kind of snap in there, and then the top will automatically set into its ridge. And then on your side clips, you want to put two fingers like this, and holding like this, push these towards you and it will snap. And once it's snapped, it's locked, and you can rotate to the other side, do the same thing, pull this towards you, and it's locked. And that is how you change the lenses in 100% Armega goggles.